Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. These pie crust cookies made in the Blackstone air fryer are so delicious, are so addicting, and they only take minutes to make. They're such a good alternative to the traditional pumpkin pie. You guys are gonna love this one to enjoy with family and friends over the holidays or any day of the week for a sweet treat at the end of the day. So let's get cooking. These pie crust cookies in the Blackstone air fryer take minutes to make and they are so delicious. A great alternative to the traditional pumpkin pie. Serve it alongside this cream cheese pumpkin dip and you got yourself a delicious dessert to enjoy with your family and friends over the holidays or to enjoy on any cold winter night. You guys are gonna love this, so let's get cooking. All you need is some store-bought pie crust, or you can make your own, some cream cheese and pumpkin puree to make our pumpkin dip. Depending on what time of year it is or what holiday you're celebrating, you can look for cute little pastry cutters, or you can simply make your own shapes or even just slice your dough into fry shapes or little sticks for dipping into whatever kind of dip you're gonna make to serve alongside these. Today we're doing a pumpkin dip. You can switch it out for an apple pie dip or just some caramel dipping sauce, or go crazy and serve it alongside all of those. For our pumpkin dip, I have a large mixing bowl and I'll add 1 can of pumpkin puree and 1 block of cream cheese softened to room temperature. Want to mix these together until they are well combined. We'll season it up with some of the Blackstone Snickerdoodle seasoning. If you don't have this, you can easily replace it for pumpkin pie spice. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you can add some brown sugar, confectioner sugar, which I decided to go with, and a little dash of vanilla. There's just so many different ways to make pumpkin dip. Some people add some Cool Whip or vanilla pudding, and once it tastes perfect, which is not too sweet for me, we're gonna set this in the refrigerator. Today we'll be air frying these in the Blackstone drawers, and we have these extra trivets which are available on blackstoneproducts.com, which gives you even more space for air frying more food all at one time. We'll be lining each tray with the pre-cut Blackstone parchment paper squares. So let's get our Blackstone air fryers turned on and let them come up to temperature. In the meantime, we have to start cutting out our cookies. Onto a large work surface, dust it with some flour and unroll your pie crust. Today I'm only going to use 1 of the 2 sheets of pie crust that come in the package. Unroll it and start cutting out my different shapes. I've got these cute little leaf pastry cutters. Again, depending on which holiday it is or what pastry cutters you can find, you can always easily switch this out for different shapes. Once these are all cut out, we'll remove the extra dough. You can roll that back out to get more cookies. Now my cookies are all cut out. I've got a bunch from just 1 sheet of pie crust. Let's line up 4 pieces of parchment paper since I have those extra trivets. I've got 1 egg mixed with a splash of water. This is my egg wash. Once we set up all of our cookies onto our parchment paper, we'll lightly brush these with our egg wash. Zhuzh them up with a little bit of the Snickerdoodle seasoning. Between the Snickerdoodle seasoning and the egg wash, this is really gonna help that crust get that nice golden brown color while they're air frying. These are ready to go in, so let's pull out 1 drawer at a time, carefully adding a sheet of these cookies to each tray. Pop them in the drawer and let them cook. Now I'm cooking on high, so this is only gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes. You can adjust to a lower temperature and just cook these until nice and golden brown. Make sure to check them in between. If you need to adjust your heat, go for it. After a few minutes, these are done. So we're gonna get our pumpkin dip back out. Serve these up on a nice brand new Blackstone cutting board and dive into dipping these. These are so pretty and so delicious. The perfect little snack, whether it's a family movie night or a holiday with your family and friends, or you're just making them for yourself to enjoy. You're gonna love them, and I cannot wait to see you guys making these. Get creative with the shapes. Get creative with what kind of dip you serve these with. The possibilities are endless, and it's a winning recipe all around. My kiddos love these, and I know you guys are gonna love them too. So go make them, and don't forget to post a picture when you do. Don't forget to shop griddlenation.com and blackstoneproducts.com for apparel. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys enjoying these at home.